Volcanoes are fascinating natural wonders, but they can be pretty destructive. 2. Here's a brief explanation about how they are made. Volcanoes form when there's a rupture in the Earth's crust that allows magma, gases, and volcanic ash to escape from below the surface. The creation of volcanoes is primarily driven by tectonic activity. The Earth's crust is divided into several large plates that float on the semi-fluid layer called the mantle. These plates are constantly moving, and their interactions can create conditions that lead to volcanic activity. Subduction zones in areas where one tectonic plate is forced underneath another a subduction zone. The descending plate melts due to the intense heat and pressure, forming magma. This magma rises through the crust, eventually leading to volcanic eruptions. Many of the world's volcanoes are located along subduction zones, such as the Ring of Fire around the Pacific Ocean. Rift zones volcanoes can also form along divergent boundaries, where tectonic plates are moving apart as the plates separate. Magma from the mantle can rise to fill the gap, creating new crust as it cools and solidifies. This type of volcanic activity is common along mid-ocean ridges, like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, hotspots sometimes. Volcanic activity occurs away from plate boundaries at what are known as hotspots. These are areas where plumes of hot mantle material rise towards the surface. As the mantle plume reaches the crust, it melts to form magma, which can then erupt to create volcanoes. The Hawaiian Islands are an example of a volcanic hotspot. I hope this gives you a clear picture of how volcanoes are formed.